This is Pranav Goa Thakurta from Edu TV. Today, we are with the famous Dr. Bhutani, Dr. Shelly Bhutani. She's advisor to Sunrise International School and she's a renowned educationist. Ma'am, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Pranav ji. Thank you so much.
Dr. Bhutani, we would like to know more about how your journey started, your educational voyage. How did it started? How you thought getting into this noble profession?
Thank you so much, Pranav ji. It's a really nice question for me because as an educationist is really remarkable when we consider that a teacher's journey is one of the adventure. Because each year we have encountered new students and become a part of their lives, just as they become member of our own community. And we as an educator are really witnesses to their joys and their sorrow too. So in this way, I have a very small remembering few lines. आंधियों को जीत है जहां बिजलियां गिराने की, आंधियों को जिद है जहां बिजलियां गिराने की, मुझे भी जिद है वही आशियां बसाने की।
वाह!
हिम्मत और हौसले बुलंद हैं, हिम्मत और हौसले बुलंद है, खड़ी हूं अभी गिरी नहीं हूं, अभी जंग बाकी है और मैं हारी भी नहीं हूं। So we watch every day as they learn, grow and mature, as well as when they fetter or when they make mistakes and fail in their own lives. So we do our best to support, encourage and inspire them to succeed in their own lives. With our own words as well as through our action, we always model actually our children for them what is impossible and what they can achieve better in their own lives. Because it is certainly through our skill knowledge and expertise, but also through our very pressure we have demonstrate our faith in their own abilities. So I started my journey as a professional in 1997, Pranavji.
Okay.
And yes, and that was I started as a small TGT computer science. And I started with my Kendriya Vidyalaya School, Dholakua.
Okay.
Yes. So it was all happens when we, build curriculums, when we build new policy around student instead of the other way around. We get always learners who are active, engaged, curious, and driven too, because they have their outperform their traditional educated peers. So because in global academic performance always they have a pressure of exam regardless of social economic factors, what the parent expectations, what they think about it. So as a educators, it was my mission to give them their best, but it was also give them with their happiness. Because when child is not happy, when child is not feeling comfortable with their own teacher, with their own principal, then they will not able to grasp that particular knowledge of teaching which they deserve for. So it is not enough for us to simply understand the world of the students actually, because we want to equip us with the tools to make a difference. So as well as the drive to do so, every aspect of our education designed to help us make sense of culture, historical, environmental, and social economic influences of the world around us. Because here I quote a very beautiful line, our educators don't just change mind. Basically, they also change lives. So wherever the joys of teaching would not be there, then I don't think so there will be actual teaching of students would be there. So this nowadays we have a NAP with us. We have a very change playing an instrument we have, and whatever the child expect to take out any stream they can take out. It doesn't matter. Earlier they were very biased and pressurized with the science. They cannot be take this any skill, humanities, geography, history. They cannot able to take with the science stream. But now they have a amazing policies to adopt according to their own vision and success. Because we get to know that student individual difference, abilities and interest is very, very, powerful, because their satisfaction there arises from knowing we have difference. We have may not reached all the children in significant way, because somehow we have to leave some of the children, because in a class we have a 40 children, but somehow we are not able to reach each and every children, but we tried a lot, but somehow we left 1-to-1 ratio. So this is our way. Most of them, each year it is just enough to sustain us and feed our faith in power of teaching. So it is very exciting to enter an empty classroom in the morning and never know exactly what will transfer with the student. So each day is novel and different, and each group of the student has its own personality.
Correct.
So my journey with them is very, very remarkable and very amazing. And because then I shift to St. Columba's School in 2002, and then I immediately switched to Maharaja Agastyan Public School as a vice principal, and then promoted to the principal of that school. And 15 years I have passed out that journey, because that school, it was in rural area. So it was very difficult to manage and give the confidence to the parents, because parents were not able to believe the teachers how they will give that particular success or personality to my own children. Because as you know, Pranavji, every parent has worried about their own child. They will not bother today at what other 40 children are doing. They will only bother that what my child is doing, what their child is able to gather the things from the school. So it was totally challenge for me, but I have took this challenge as my mission, as my vision. And today I'm here in front of you, that I have really, really accept these challenges. And today I'm really stand on a very good platform. I'm a speaker of so many institutions. I'm attached with so many associations. From the CBSE resource person, I'm a mentor of 7 schools also. And I'm author also. I have written my Techno Hunt commuter book.
Okay.
That is till 10th standard. And with the University of Reading, I collaborated as a leader. In a quarterly basis, I have a meeting also, and with the Middle East schools, I've also attached as a speaker. So each hour of my journey was unique actually, because we plan, we gather materials. As we know from the experience what the likely frustration will be put, because we don't know precisely what the timing will be and what time will say. This is Corona actually. We're all, staying at home and safe. So this we never actually expect in our own histories, that today a small child will wear the mask, right? So
Right.
anything can be happen actually. We don't know what will happen tomorrow. So as the time is coming, this is our responsibility of our own educators to give our best, to give every moment to best to our children that will occur from their own lives. Because when I was child, I don't remember, but yes, I have left so many things. Somehow I have left my dream also. But today I can say that with this journey of my own children, of my own vision, even I have completed my own child dreams. And this is really, really amazing. When you complete your own dreams, recently I just announced, I really happy to announce you, on 26th March, I really awarded as a Woman Achiever Award as a Miss Delhi. So it was my dream somehow when I was in childhood, because it was universe destiny that I came in the education. But I was not ready to came in the education actually, but I came it, because whatever it's happened, it's all happened by the reason. So
Correct.
time is actually never predictable. At the end of the day, you never know, the room is quiet once again with the children, or it will be full-fledged with the children. So tomorrow anything can be happen. So my journey is very, very amazing, and I'm really happy. Very important thing is that I happily accept every challenge. I always give one teaching to my teachers, to my staff members, to my parent, that yes, trust us, we can do it. I never use I can do it. Trust us, we can do it. We will show it to you. And we have done it, Pranavji. We have done it very well actually, whether it's a part of teacher, whether it's a part of student, because it's really good news that my children has BCM. They have scored even 100 also at the tenure of my teaching. So it was really a really role of one educator. What else she can think over it regarding the institution or regarding the welfare of institution, when they have complete her own commitments wherever he or she deserves. So this is almost of my journey completed, and it's 23 years actually. I have passed 23 years.
97 you
23
said, no? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, 23 years, almost 23 years.
My goodness. Great, I think. I'm really
Yeah.
thankful to you, ma'am. I think your journey will inspire many people to opt teaching as a career with a lot of scope of growth out there, and you have from last 23 years you are into it. You have served a school for 15 years.
Right.
Now you are traveling abroad also. We wish you all the best, Dr. Shaili Bhutani. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Namaskar.